of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum to our honorable teacher and dear fellows. My name is Maham Ghaffar and I belong to Progressive Language Center. Today my presentation is about importance of English language. And these are my contents which I would like to discuss all of you. So guys, first of all, my question is that who is the founder of English? Nobody knows. Okay, let me tell. Geoffrey Chaucer is the founder of English. He was born in London and sometimes between 1340 and 1344. He was an English author, poet, philosopher and diplomat. Now guys, I am going to tell you my first topic, which is other languages. So guys, it doesn't mean our language is not important. Sure, all people love their language, all people love their mother tongue, obviously. But the first language nowadays used as a global communication is English. Agree or disagree? Obviously you all are agreed because it's easier to learn. It has only 26 alphabets which are put together to form words. And we put words together, it forms sentence. And we put sentences together, we create a story. It is a very flexible and very easy language. Now guys, I am going to tell you my second point, which is importance of English. So guys, you know very well, English is the language of international communication. Although English is the language of international communication, but that's not all. English is also the most common second language in the world. All the people know the importance of this language in our life because we need it in our work. And sometimes when we talk to people about their culture, maybe they are not from Britain or America, but we almost think they know English. They are talking in English. They understand English. Now guys, further I would like to tell about my third point, which is role of English in our study. So guys, you know very well, English is very important for our study. Most of the books on any subjects are written in English. English is very important for higher education. If we don't speak English, we don't understand English, how can we pass our exams? How can we move to next class? How can we face people? How do we our country forward? How can we fight the enemies? That's why English is very important for our education. Once the Sir Syed Ahmad Khan says that if you want to face British, you have to focus on learning English. But that's not enough guys. Once the Gandhi sisters said, if the Gandhi was in Muslim League and the Quaid-e-Azam was in Congress, Pakistan would never become. Because of good command in English, Quaid-e-Azam successfully got the separate homeland from the British. That's why English is very important for higher education. English is very important for our study. Now guys, I am going to tell you my last point, which is English gives you access to a world of entertainment. So guys, many of the world's top films, books, novels, dramas are published and produced in English. If you speak English, you understand English, you enjoy your favorite books, you enjoy your favorite films, watching movies and many dramas in English. English is a great and fun way to learn it. If you understand English, you speak English. You also learn it. English is very important for higher education. English is very important for our life. If we are to move forward, we must focus on learning English. Thank you so much.